Welcome back. It's kind of that time of year again. You guys are used to it. It's kind of like you're in that no man's land, right? Too late to start any new projects outdoors because you're just about to hit the snow, and it's too early to put the snowblower on the tractor. So I've just been focusing on my pre-winter activities. My dock's all winterized, ramps been pulled up. The canoe and the kayaks have all been stored and put away for the winter. Property is pretty cleaned up. Not a lot left to do. Spent about 4 hours as usual, clearing all the leaves out of the driveway right from here up to the concession road. And sadly, the turtles didn't make it again this year, but they got close. It took until about 2 weeks ago, somebody found them. Oh well, maybe next year. Guard Pro E9, doing well, it's still up in the tree. It's been 3 months this week. Got about 22% left on the batteries, and I switched it over to video mode last week just to test that functionality, but so far it's worked really well. And the video's not bad. Take a look. Not bad at all. But hey, as you folks know, the winter's the real test for me when it comes to electronics, especially in the outdoors. So once those batteries drain, I'm gonna put lithium in, and then we'll see how it works throughout the winter. Stay tuned. I found spots for some of my implements, so they're gonna sit there for the winter. Everything's pretty cleaned up. Got a couple of last minute changes to do just before the snow flies, and I get that blower on the tractor, and the loader arm's off. I did a check and a test on my portable generator to make sure it was in running condition before the winter flies. And I've got my subframe and blower all greased and lubricated and in position for when it's time. So, guess we're all just kind of hanging around, finding things to do together. Neighbor guy just called a few minutes ago. He wants to clean up a little bit of that slab that we've got sitting by the portable mill that he's left over from all those ash logs he canned. So hey, it's beautiful, sunny, clear skies today. Only about 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. But it's gonna be brisk, but it's a great day to be outside. So I'm just gonna grab the 261. We'll head over and help Guy out today. Jeez, so unsettling to hear gunshots first thing in the morning. Let's head over to Guy's. Cheers.
Like compassionate help.
Cut this one off here. Okay.
This pile here is all ash. Some of it's been here since early summer. And then the last pieces were done when he decanted those logs for Husky Bob there last week. But boy, there's a ton of firewood in there. You know, for me, it's always like counting jelly beans in a jar. I can look at a pile of wood and I never have a clue how much wood is in there. I thought we were in for about half an hour. I didn't realize we had, we filled the 10 foot, the 8 foot, and that small little 4 foot about halfway. That's a good pile of wood for Guy. Thanks a lot for hanging around today. It was absolutely gorgeous. Imagine we don't have too many more of these days before the white stuff starts flying. Have a great week. Please be kind to each other. And I'll see you again right here. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching GP Outdoors. Cheers.